Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos in a CapCut app. So now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on the new project. And after this, in here you can click on the photo at the top, click on it. And in here you can search or you can see the photo that you want to edit. I want to try to add this one, so you just click on it, and after this you can click add at the bottom. Now if you wanna edit this photo, you just click on the photo or the clip, and after this you can click on the style, and in here you can click the style that you want to add. Maybe on this manga, click on it. Okay, please waiting. Okay, like this, or you can click on the camera bunch. Okay, please waiting.